Assalamualaikum friends and welcome to my channel. Today I am making coconut almond cookies which are gluten-free and low carb. They have only 2 grams net carbs per cookie. You can also see its nutrition chart at the end. If you are on diet and you crave for something sweet but healthier, then these cookies are perfect to satisfy your sweet tooth at any time of the day. So let's get started. First of all, weigh your ingredients. For baking, I always recommend to measure ingredients through scale to get precise results. So here I am taking natural sweetener erythritol 40 grams, almond powder 100 grams. It's blanched and finely grounded. Then I have taken organic coconut flour 50 grams. Then I have taken finely grounded psyllium husk powder 10 grams. If you can't find powdered one, no problem. You can grind at home with spice grinder. So we are done with dry ingredients. Other ingredients are butter, egg, and baking powder and some desiccated coconut for coating. Here you have all the list, or you can see the description box. Now let's begin our method. First take room temperature butter 150 grams and start creaming it. Here you have to keep in mind that butter should be at room temperature, not too cold from the refrigerator or not melted. Otherwise, it will not cream properly. Here you can see it's changing its color. So now I'm gonna add sweetener and beat again. Beat until nicely blended. Scrape the bowl. And beat one last time for just 1 minute. Yeah, it's almost done. So now I'm gonna add an egg. It's a large size egg. Here again, egg should also be at the room temperature. Otherwise, it will not emulsify with the mixture and mixture will separate. After adding egg, we don't have to beat mixture too much. Mix until just combined and then scrape down sides and that's it. Now split and see the vanilla bean part and add into the mixture. Now add rest of the ingredients one by one. They are all pre-sifted, that's why I'm not sifting them again. Because unlike cakes, we don't want too much air in the cookies. Now mix until all ingredients are combined. Do not overmix here. When you see that dough is coming together, stop. Scrape down sides and it's done. With a small scoop, put the dough into the desiccated coconut. Roll evenly and then place on the baking sheet. Do the same procedure with all cookies. This batter is enough for making 22 cookies. They will not spread in the oven, but still we are spacing them apart so that the heat regulates between the cookies nicely and evenly. Bake in preheated oven at 170 Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are nicely golden brown. So here they are. nicely golden brown and they have few cracks on the top. Perfect. Cool them on the cooling rack and you can put them in the airtight container for the later use. They can stay fine up to 1 month or so. If you want to eat fresh, then you can simply freeze the dough and then bake it whenever you want. You can see its nutritional value here. It is only 2 grams net carbs. They are soft, fudgy, cake-like and have a little crunch from the baked coconut outside. Perfect for tea, coffee or as an after-dinner treat to fix your dessert cravings. Hope you liked today's recipe and next time I'm going to see you again with another wonderful recipe. So take care, bye-bye.